Hi, in this video we will learn how to convert an Excel file to a CSV file. First, go to File and click on Save As. Now choose the location where you want to save your file. I will select this PC Downloads. Here you can also change the file name if you want. Next, look at the Save As Type drop-down. From here, you will see different CSV formats. CSV, delimited. This is the standard and most commonly used format. CSV Macintosh, CSV MS, CSV UTF-8, which supports more characters. I will select CSV, delimited and click Save. Now, if you open this CSV file in Notepad, you will notice that the data is separated by commas. This is because CSV stands for comma-separated values. Different versions may use other delimiters like semicolons, but the standard one uses commas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.